So now I'm going to show you how to get, there's a C-clip that's holding that clutch in there. See the clutch spinning right there? Well, there's a clip here that's preventing it from sliding out this way. So what you're going to need is one of these C-clip tools. Now they come with different size heads for different size C-clip holes. This one happens to fit this one. But basically, not sure if you guys can see in the video, there's some holes there. Like right there, I'm going to put my C-clip tool in there. Like right on the hole. And then I just squeeze it so that it's open. This part's a little tricky because the bell likes to move around. I'm going to probably put the screwdriver in there to hold the bell from moving around. Put the C-clip in there, press down kind of hard. There it is. That's the C-clip out of the housing that holds the bell. But as you can see, it still spins. So stay tuned for my next video on how to actually get the bell out of the housing.